गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning.
मुझे एक बात बता, मैंने इतना बड़ा घर बनाया, करोड़ों खर्चे, करोड़ नहीं तेरे वजह से भाषा में मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर खर्चा किया, मिलियन डॉलर नहीं मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर खर्चा किया, इतना बड़ा घर बनाया और तेरे को कबर्ड के अंदर सोने के।
I don't even feel it. Junior was doing it too, so like, well, this is interesting. Maybe I'm gonna try it. So I just,
तो तुम लोग कबर्ड के अंदर सो रहे हो, दोनों अपने अपने रूम में कबर्ड के अंदर सो रहे हैं? सीरियसली?
it was so comfortable in there, you know?
इट वाज कंफर्टेबल इन देयर।
Yes.
तो ये घर का क्या करूं फिर मैं?
We'll still keep our room though.
स्टिल कीप द रूम?
Yeah, we'll still keep.
फॉर व्हाट? स्लीपिंग इन द कबर्ड?
No, sleep on our bed.
And both of you sleeping in the cupboard?
No.
You sleeping in your cupboard, he sleeping in his cupboard?
No, like I was like, so I came up to Junior, I was like, Junior, what are you doing?
So it was Junior idea.
He says I'm sleeping in my cupboard. So I'm like, okay, that's okay. I'm gonna try it. Then I just tried it.
And it was nice, comfortable inside.
Yeah.
तुम लोग का सटका वटका है क्या? तुम्हारा दिमाग का सटका वटका है क्या कुछ?
But I'm
हाँ,
not.
कुछ खाया हुआ तो नहीं है?
But I'm not doing it again though.
You're not doing it again, right?
Nah, cause
Because soon you're not gonna fit in there.
because I almost fell.
You almost fell.
Yeah.
And Junior fell from his cupboard. He did.
That's why I went bang.
उसने अपना कूलर भी अपने कबर्ड के अंदर ले लिया. Like seriously. Like seriously. Are you guys crazy? Junior? नीचा? Yes, you fell down from your cupboard.
उसमें चार्जर भी डाल दिया उसने.
अंदर चार्जर भी डाल दिया. कबर्ड के अंदर मैंने सॉकेट डाल के गलती कर दिया.
मम्मी मेरे कबर्ड में सॉकेट क्यों नहीं है?
तेरे कबर्ड में बल्ब है ना?
सॉकेट.
जोनस एक ही चीज आ सकती है, यहाँ तो बल्ब, यहाँ तो सॉकेट.
Mommy, but Dad's room has nothing.
Good morning.
So then you put me on the bed.
Why you sleeping inside the cupboard? कबर्ड के अंदर क्यों सो रहा है? तो इतना बड़ा घर बना के क्या मतलब है फिर?
Then why we're sleeping on the ground?
And you were sleeping on the ground. मतलब क्या है?
It was interesting
It was interesting
and fun also.
and fun.
But I'm not going again.
You're not going to fit in there again.
I'm not going in there again.
I'm going in
सच्ची
there.
सच्ची बता, तू कबर्ड से गिरा था ना?
I don't know.
How do you not
अभी के
know?
नशे में सोता है तू?
Because I was sleeping and I never even felt me.
I saw you falling. Junior, you dropped from your cupboard. I saw it.
I saw you come in my room.
मेरे को जोर से एक आवाज आई, मैं जाके देखी तो ये नीचे पड़ा था, नीचे जमीन पे पड़ा था ये, और थोड़ी देर पहले कबर्ड के अंदर था.
So then you put me on the bed.
No, not me. I can't lift you. Dada put you on the bed. It was adventurous, right?
Yeah.
Stop your adventure.
I'll sleep there again.
You will sleep there again?
I'm not sleeping there again. No.
I'm gonna be sleeping there again.
Are you guys crazy?
Not me. I'm not
What?
sleeping there again.